Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Join us on a journey through the fashion lives of two beloved royal women, Princess Kate Middeton and Lady Diana. In this video, we will dive into the details of their iconic outfits, from Lady Diana's revenge dresses to Kate's stunning wedding gown, hairstyles from Lady Diana's signature cut to Kate's luscious looks, fashion evolution, how their style changed over the years, favorite designer who they love to wear and why, accessories, the bag, shoes and jewelry that complement their looks, beauty secrets, how they achieved from their first public appearance to their latest royal engagements. We will analyze every aspect of their fashion choice. Get ready to be inspired by their timeless design and elegance. Kate Middleton's fashion sense has evolved significantly since her wedding days, and we will explore her journey to becoming a global fashion icon. Lady Diana's legacy continues to inspire Kate's fashion choices, and we will highlight two notes to Diana's style in Kate's outfits. Their fashion choices have been scrutinized and admired by the public, making them two of the most influential women in the fashion. From formal gowns to casual outfits, Kate and Diana have shown us that fashion can be both beautiful and meaningful. We will examine the impact of their fashion choice on the royal family image and how they use fashion to support British designers and brands. Their hairstyle have become iconic, and we will explore how they achieve their signature looks. Their accessories, from hats to handbags, we always carefully chosen to complement their outfits. We will delve into their beauty routine and share tips on how to achieve their flawless complexion and more. Join us as we celebrate the fashion of lives of Kate Middleton and Lady Diana, two true style icons. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fashion content. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest video. Share this video with your friends and family who love fashion and the royal family. Their fashion choices have been immortalized in countless photos and videos, making them a permanent part of fashion history. From royal weddings to state visits, Kate and Diana have shown us the power of fashion in royal duties. We will explore how their fashion choices reflect their personalities and roles with the royal family. Their legacy continues to inspire new generation of fashion enthusiasts, cementing their places in fashion history. So join us as we delve into the lives and fashion of these two incredible women and get ready to be inspired by their style and grace. Don't forget to share your favorite Kate and Diana fashion moment in the comment below. Let us know which the royal fashion moment is your favorite and why. Subscribe to our channel for more fashion content and royal analysts. Thank you very much.